How to use Apple Cider Vinegar for the best benefit. How are you going to use Apple Cider Vinegar for the best way to avoid side effects? Today's video is all about the best way to use Apple Cider Vinegar, or how to use Apple Cider Vinegar. But what is Apple Cider Vinegar? Apple Cider Vinegar is a liquid that you get after the fermentation of apple, which turns that apple juice into acetic acid. So anytime you take Apple Cider Vinegar, you are going to get many health benefits. Health benefits like it helps you to lose weight. It also helps you to burn cholesterol, and it also helps to minimize your sugar level in your body system. So these are the few benefits you can get from Apple Cider Vinegar. Though it has so many benefits, but these three are the few ones that you can use to encourage yourself while taking Apple Cider Vinegar, because it is very beneficial. Now, how are you going to use it? But before I proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if you want to know more about men and natural ways to keep men, you are on the right channel. Consider to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. So how are you going to use Apple Cider Vinegar? The best way to use Apple Cider Vinegar are many, but I am going to share with you the three best ways. Number one is to add it in your salad while dressing your salad. It is very good, and if you can add it in your salad, it can make your salad easy to consume. So number two is when you want to cook, you can add a little quantity of it in your food. It can also make your food interesting and very good to consume. Number three is to drink it, but you are not going to drink it just like that. You need to add water. 1 teaspoonful of Apple Cider Vinegar is what you will add to 1 full cup of water, or you can add 2 teaspoonfuls of Apple Cider Vinegar. Don't add 3, highest 2, but it depends on your body system. So the best way to use it if you want to drink Apple Cider Vinegar is to add 1 teaspoonful to 1 full cup of water. Even if it is not 1 full cup of water, at least half, then 1 teaspoonful of Apple Cider Vinegar and consume it. Do not take Apple Cider Vinegar raw, because it might cause, or it can cause, tooth enamel erosion. That is, it can damage your teeth and also remove your teeth, because it is very acidic. It can harm your teeth if you take it undiluted. So these are the 3 best ways to take Apple Cider Vinegar, or the 3 best ways on how you can use Apple Cider Vinegar. I hope you get value on this video, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do well to hit the like button, subscribe to be a member of this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to put your questions and comments below or in the comment section. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. If you want me to make any videos for you, do not hesitate. Just put it down in the comment section. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Once again, thank you for stopping by. Like and share this video to your friends and families. See you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.